Welcome back to the Midlife Diet's Advanced Biohacking series. Up to this point, you have optimized the foundation of your body. Your hormones are balanced, your diet is dialed in, your arteries are clean, your muscle mass is protected. But now, we move to the most important system of all, your brain. For men over 40, mental performance becomes the real battlefield. Physical strength can still be rebuilt, muscle can still grow, but focus, memory, and mental sharpness begin to fade quietly. You wake up tired. You struggle to concentrate. You forget names, details, and tasks. You reread the same paragraph again and again. This is not a motivation problem. This is not a discipline problem. This is biology. Chronic brain fog, poor focus, and declining memory are signals that your brain chemistry, blood flow, and cellular energy systems are underperforming. And this mental decline comes at a cost. It reduces your productivity. It damages confidence. It affects decision-making, leadership, and creativity. It quietly drains your professional and personal life. Today, we are diving deep into the world of nootropics. Not stimulants, not caffeine overload, not flashy proprietary blends with hidden doses. We are focusing only on compounds that are scientifically validated, safe for long-term use, and specifically effective for the midlife brain. These nootropics do three critical things. They restore neurotransmitters. They improve cerebral blood flow. They enhance brain cell growth and protection. Together, they form the ultimate focus stack for men over 40. This stack eliminates brain fog. It sharpens memory retention. It delivers clean, calm, sustained mental energy. And it does so without anxiety, crashes, or nervous system burnout. But before we reveal the four compounds, you must understand why your brain starts failing after 40. There are two core biological causes. Cause number one, neurotransmitter depletion. Chronic stress, poor sleep, and constant mental load slowly drain key neurotransmitters. Acetylcholine, which controls learning, memory, and attention, declines with age. Dopamine, which drives motivation, focus, and reward, also drops. When these chemicals fall, your brain loses clarity, speed, and drive. You are mentally present, but cognitively sluggish. Cause number two, reduced cerebral blood flow. Your brain is an energy-hungry organ. It depends on constant delivery of oxygen and glucose. As blood flow declines with age, the brain receives less fuel. Less fuel means slower thinking, poor recall, reduced mental endurance, and increased cognitive fatigue. The nootropic protocol you are about to learn directly targets both of these problems at their source. Now that you understand why focus and memory decline after 40, we move to the solution. This is not about taking random pills. This is about correcting the exact biological failures happening inside your brain. We are revealing the four most effective nootropics that work together as a single system. Each one has a specific role. Each one targets a different weakness. And together, they restore mental performance at a level most men believe is lost forever. Nootropic number one is L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid naturally found in green tea. Its primary role is to create calm, focused alertness. Unlike stimulants that push your nervous system into overdrive, L-theanine smooths brain activity. It increases alpha brain waves. Alpha waves represent a state of relaxed concentration. You are awake, you are focused, but you are not stressed. This is why L-theanine is powerful for men over 40. Your nervous system is already overstimulated by stress. You do not need more pressure, you need control. L-theanine also crosses the blood-brain barrier. Once inside the brain, it reduces anxiety and mental jitteriness. Most importantly, it neutralizes the negative side effects of caffeine. This creates the perfect synergy. Caffeine provides alertness and energy. L-theanine removes anxiety and sharpens focus. Together, they produce clean mental performance without crashes. The optimal ratio is simple. 2 parts L-theanine, 1 part caffeine. If you consume 200 milligrams of caffeine, pair it with 400 milligrams of L-theanine. Take this stack in the morning after your 90-minute caffeine delay. Nootropic number 2 is alpha-GPC. Alpha-GPC is a highly bioavailable form of choline. Choline is the raw material used to produce acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is the neurotransmitter responsible for memory, learning, and sustained attention. As men age, acetylcholine production declines. This leads to forgetfulness, slower recall, and difficulty focusing on complex tasks. Alpha-GPC rapidly delivers choline directly into the brain. It effectively refuels your memory circuits. This results in faster thinking, improved recall, and longer focus duration. Alpha-GPC also improves the connection between mind and muscle. Many men notice improved power output and coordination during workouts. The effective dosage range is 300 to 600 milligrams daily. Take it in the morning before your primary focus session or training. Stack it with L-theanine and caffeine for maximum effect. Nootropic number 3 is lion's mane mushroom. Lion's mane is not a stimulant. It is a brain growth compound. This mushroom stimulates the production of nerve growth factor, known as NGF. NGF is essential for the survival of existing neurons and the creation of new ones. Think of it as fertilizer for your brain. Unlike caffeine, lion's mane works slowly, but its effects are deep and long-lasting. Consistent use improves concentration, reduces anxiety, and supports long-term cognitive resilience. This is not a quick fix. This is an investment in brain structure. The recommended dose is 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily. Use a high-quality, dual-extracted supplement. Expect noticeable benefits after several weeks of consistent use. Nootropic number 4 is Bacopa monnieri. Bacopa is an ancient Ayurvedic herb with powerful modern validation. Its primary role is memory protection under stress. Bacopa improves communication speed between neurons. It also acts as a powerful adaptogen. This means it reduces the damaging effects of chronic stress. High cortisol destroys memory formation. Bacopa helps regulate cortisol levels. This protects the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. Over time, this leads to stronger memory consolidation and recall. The effective dose is 300 to 450 milligrams daily. Use a standardized extract. Take it with a meal containing fat. Like lion's mane, Bacopa requires daily use for 8 to 12 weeks for full benefits. These 4 nootropics do not compete. They complement each other. They calm the nervous system, restore neurotransmitters, increase blood flow, and protect and grow brain cells. Now that you understand each nootropic individually, the final step is execution. Results do not come from taking supplements randomly. Results come from stacking them correctly. Timing, synergy, and consistency determine whether these compounds work or fail. This is the ultimate focus protocol for the man over 40. In the morning, your goal is controlled energy and deep focus, not stimulation, not anxiety, not mental chaos. Your morning focus stack is simple and precise. Take 400 milligrams of L-theanine. Take 300 milligrams of alpha-GPC. Take 200 milligrams of caffeine. This combination fuels acetylcholine production. It increases alertness, and it keeps your nervous system calm and stable. This stack creates smooth motivation. You feel driven, but not stressed. Focused, but not tense. This is the ideal state for your most important work of the day. Later in the day, your goal shifts. Now you are protecting the brain, reducing stress damage, and investing in long-term cognitive performance. This is where lion's mane and Bacopa come in. Take 500 milligrams of lion's mane daily. Take 300 milligrams of Bacopa monnieri daily. You can take these with breakfast or lunch. These compounds are not stimulants. You will not feel an immediate rush. Instead, they work silently in the background. They repair, they protect, they strengthen neural pathways over time. Consistency is non-negotiable. Missing days slows results. Daily use compounds benefits. Now comes the rule that determines success or failure. Nootropics are amplifiers. They amplify what already exists. If you are sleeping 5 hours per night, they will not save you. If you are dehydrated, they will not fix you. If your diet is built on processed food, they will fail. Your foundation must be solid. Sleep comes first. Hydration matters. Training improves blood flow to the brain. When these foundations are in place, nootropics work powerfully. Brain fog is not normal. Mental decline is not inevitable. Loss of focus is not something you must accept. You can think clearly again. You can focus deeply again. You can perform mentally at a level most men believe is gone forever. By intelligently stacking L-theanine, alpha-GPC, lion's mane, and Bacopa, you are rebuilding your cognitive edge. You are protecting your memory, and you are future-proofing your brain. The most valuable asset you own is not your body, it is your mind. Start treating it like one. This is the Midlife Diet. Live stronger. Think sharper. Stay dangerous. This content is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult a licensed healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, exercise, or supplementation routines.